So it's day 3 and we're having a shopping day today, and we are in Central in Phuket, and you can see nice things here. In Florista right now, and you can see all the luxury brands are here, even contemporary brands like Golden Queen, Marimekko, Kate Spade, Michael Kors, Coach, you know. So, and there's Louis Vuitton out there. So I'm so excited. It looks promising. Oh wow, this is cute. So we have Gucci. And they have this one. This is a new one. And they have Hermes right here. Oh wow, that's a nice. Looks like we have plenty of stuff here in Hermes. So let's. So cute. Shoulder bag. So cute. It can be shoulder bag. So cute. These are them. Yay! I have something. This is new. This is the vanity, and put together, and then wow.
It's nice, I think.
Yeah, but the problem is like
Yeah.
it will it will turn around. That's so cute. Actually, the phone fits in here.
This one too. This one.
In Gucci right now. I'm trying to. That's too pink. And shoes. It's the cashmere.
For those who are new here, my name is Bien. I'm posting luxury, lifestyle, and fashion every single week. And if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribe, like, and comment. And of course, follow me in my Instagram so that you can be updated in my everyday lifestyle. Here's the Louis Vuitton items, guys. It's in the paper bag, and then of course, like, you know, it's the box is in here, and then all the receipts also here. So, like, you know, it's quite a small Louis Vuitton shop over there, guys, but, like, you know, they have some quite stuff that it's difficult to find that you can find there. And then I really wanted one handbag, but then, you know, they don't have the stock there, guys, and then you order them and then they can deliver to your house the next day. And of course, if you want to come back, you know, you can get it the next day. But like, I was undecided, and I'm not sure if I wanted a bag more this year, because I just have plenty of bags in the past 2 months. So, like, you know, so I give a pass. And then this one, since I've been looking for this one for a long time, so finally I have it, and then I have the opportunity to have it, then I grab it. So yeah, so let's open. Without further ado, let's open this beautiful handbag. So again, like, you know, a beautiful ribbon. I need to take out this one, and I think this is like gift card or something. So, and here it is, guys. It's quite small, so you have an idea what it is. So we have a kikli. So I've been looking for this one for a long time, guys, and also the mini pochette accessory. So I'm also looking for that one, but they are not available this time. And then this one, I was lucky they have. And actually, guys, but I choose the regular monogram because, like, you know, I want this one to hang into my handbags, and I have a lot of regular monogram handbags. So yeah, I want to match them with it. So it's like, you know, with the gold hardware, and yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy I got them, guys, because I've been looking for this one for a long time. So, like, you know, I'm planning to hang this one to my handbag, you know, and then, like, I put my keys or something like that, my car key, because I don't have a house key, because we don't need, because there's always somebody who open our house. So I will plan to put my car key and then just hang it, this one, to my handbag. So yeah, I'm so happy. And then, like, you know, that I get this one, guys. So hang this one in my handbag like this. So, you know, we can just put in here and then do like this and lock, and then like let it hang over here, and it looks like more stylish, guys. So I'm gonna put my car key here, so that, like, you know, every time I do lock or do my car, you know, it's just like right here, and it looks like very stylish. Or sometimes I can put my card over here, the one I always use, and ta-da! 3 days ago, we went to the town and we did shopping, and today I came back because I realized that I really need that handbag. So I saw it's like a rare handbag from Louis Vuitton, and then, like, I was contemplating if I'm gonna get it or I'm gonna buy it, and then I said, like, you know, it's too much to buy for the 2020, because I bought a lot of handbag that year, but then I sold some of my handbags. So I said, like, you know, I need a replacement for that handbag as a remembrance. So if I need to order that one, it's a rare handbag and it's difficult to get, guys. And then finally they have it on stock, but it's in Bangkok, which I don't have time to go to Bangkok because of the lockdown and everything. So they will order the handbag for me. I already paid it today, and then if I supposed to do that, like, you know, if I paid that one last time, the 3 days ago, when I went to Central Department Store, to the Louis Vuitton shop over there, I supposed to have the handbag right now. But since, like, you know, I have limited handbag and luggage things, so, like, you know, I prefer to order it now, and then they just like deliver it in our house. And the lady said it's about 3 days before I can have the handbag, so I don't mind that one. I'm not in a hurry. So I was just lucky to find that handbag. And then, like, you know, last week as well, last 3 days ago, I also get like something like difficult to find thing. So yeah, I already opened it to you. And today I went shopping again, and I came back. So, like, you know, so this is like a shopping haul today. So I always have like a shopping bag with me. So the first thing that I bought today is this Chanel, it's sculpting glow stick. So this one, guys, I just saw like one of the YouTuber from the Philippines, Rai, she have this one and she highly recommend. So yeah, I bought this one today. So it's just like highlighter. Oh, look at this, guys, so beautiful. Yeah, so just like that. So yeah, I have this, and it's so beautiful, and it's about like 2,000 baht. It's in the Philippines, it's about 3,000 pesos, but then it's big, it's quite big, guys. So you know, I can use this one for 3 years or something like that, you know. Yeah, it's quite nice. Look at this. So I can do like this. So I'm doing my makeup now. Yeah, so this is the first thing I get today. Beautiful. I'm happy about that. And then the next one, I come back to buy this one, guys. It's a Japanese it's like a powder, and it's like packed individually. It's like a pouch like this, and then you just wet your hands, and then you wash your face, and it's like a powder, and then it become like creamy soapy thing. So like I bought this one because I really love them. I really feel like it's so cleanse. It cleanses your face, and this one is like a set. It has a free like this. So like the name is soy sai. So highly recommend, guys. If you can find this one in like a pharmacy thing, buy this one. It's really highly recommend. And of course, since I'm out of this facial wash, it's from Kiehl's. I also buy a Kiehl's wash. It's for the blemish. I highly recommend this one, guys. I've been using this one for years, and like my skin is so happy. So this one is an alternate. If I'm traveling, I'm gonna bring this one because it's very handy, you know. And then the next one that I get, it's also like a hyaluronic acid serum. So I saw also one of the YouTuber that is using this one, and she highly recommend this one. So this one you're gonna use before you put your cream in your yeah. So yeah, I bought this one as well. So hopefully it's gonna, I tried this one, guys, and it's quite nice in your skin. And of course the next one is, this one is from Claire's. It's like, oh, I really, oh, the last thing that I got today is like a replacement of these sandals. I have these Valentino sandals for a long time, and then like I really love them, guys, because it can be formal and something like that. Highly recommend. And now it's almost giving up, and she's so tired already, so I need a replacement of her. And I was contemplating, so I got something from Gucci, guys. And I did not get the box because like I don't need the box because I have plenty of boxes already from Gucci. So I said, like, you know, since I'm minimalist now, I need to do like save my luggage. So I get this. Oh, the last thing that I got today is like a replacement of these sandals. I have these Valentino sandals for a long time. And then like I really love them, guys, because it can be formal and something like that. Highly recommend. And now it's almost giving up, and she's so tired already, so I need a replacement of her. And I was contemplating, so I got something from Gucci, guys. And I did not get the box because like I don't need the box because I have plenty of boxes already from Gucci. So I said, like, you know, since I'm minimalist now, I need to do like save my luggage. So I get this. Sorry for that. It's just like call from the hotel room, and this is finally we're gonna open this one, guys. So this is a Gucci sandals, and look at this. So I really love the color, guys. So beautiful. It's so cute. So it's a perfect light pink color, so it will match a lot of my outfits. And yeah, I was actually debating to get this one or the other one, you know, the jelly one with like a little heels, like, you know. Actually, guys, that one is really comfortable, but then the color is so flashy and like, you know, it's so obvious Gucci, and I don't think, like, you know, my husband gonna love that kind of thing. So it's but for me, when I wear that one, it's so comfortable. But I said, like, you know, I rather want to get like more discreet sandals. So yeah, that's why I picked this one up, because like, you know, if you're wearing this one, you cannot see the Gucci logo. So that's why I picked this one up, and it looks so beautiful, and it's very versatile. So yeah, so I'm so happy I got them. So I have already a replacement for my Valentino. So like the color is not much difference, guys. It has like, you know, like more a pinkish tone in it, and it's a square toe, and I think it's really good, look good on all my OOTDs. So this is my Gucci sandals. Again, I'm posting lifestyle, fashion, and luxury every single week. So if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you for watching, and Have a luxury day, everyone. Bye! Till the next video.